Hi, my name is Dawson S, and I'm going to teach you how to properly and safely use the angle grinder. Now, first things first, what you want to do is you want to make sure you have a guard on. Now, as you can see, there's a little arrow at the bottom of this guard. Put that towards the bottom of the deal, slips right on, nice and easy, and just tighten it back up. And slide it, just like so, to whatever angle you would like it to be. In order to stick your wheel on, you place it on there, place the washer and or nut on there, press the button on the back. Once it locks in place, you can tighten it up. Let's stop it real quick. I think this is the wrong one. Yeah, this is definitely the wrong one. We'll try it again real quick. Never take your safety glasses off in the shop. You work this around. In case you're wondering, this is the tool room. In this here tool room, there is tools, as you might guess. This little deal here with two holes, that's the one you want to use, because besides that, it sucks. In order to take off the disc, this is a very experienced safety video now. I'm going to press this button on the back, this locks it in place. Once you do that, stick it in the designated hole and crank it open. Once you get that off, now you pick up the correct one that actually works. Then you slide it on nice and easy like. Press the button on the back, that will stop it in place, and tighten up as so. It sometimes doesn't even fit, as it never fit, just stick one of those in the hole, one on the outside, tighten up so. As you see, it doesn't move, and all nice locked in place. When you plug in your machine, do not stand in any water, as it may shock you and or kill you. And that does not look good for insurance purposes and or shop purposes. Now once you're grinding, face it towards you and make sure when you're shooting sparks, you'll all be shooting to your left, right, one of those sides. Now I'm going to be grinding a Patriots thing because they're a trash team. Flip the little safety down the bottom, starts up. As you see, I did not grind very hard. Supposed to hold it to about a 15 to 20 degree angle. Wait till the machine completely stops, place it upside down so that no damage is done to the disc. Do not use if the disc is damaged. If the disc is damaged at all, it may fly off, it may crack, and it may hurt someone of your classmates and or yourself. Make sure you use two hands on the machine at all times. And make sure whatever you're grinding is safely secured, unlike what I just did. That's about it.